Megan Fox has revealed she and Machine Gun Kelly have done every form of therapy after his suicide attempt. The Transformers star opened up about her fiancé's mental health struggles while speaking to Entertainment Tonight. She said, "We've done every form of therapy that exists. We found a therapist that really works for us, couples and individually. It's definitely a process. It's not an easy one. Some of it's really difficult. Our therapist said a relationship is basically the process of breaking each other down, but most people don't have the tools to build each other back up, to rebuild. And so it's a constant process of suffering and passion and love and the repeat cycles." So, we're just learning that and navigating that, doing that together. There's lots of all of those things all of the time. Get all the biggest showbiz news straight to your inbox. Sign up for the free Mirror Showbiz newsletter. The 36-year-old's comments come after MGK, whose real name is Colson Baker, admitted he once put a loaded shotgun in his mouth. It happened during an intense phone call to Megan back in July 2020 while he was struggling with the death of his father. At the time she was away filming a movie in Bulgaria and he said he began to experience wild paranoia. "I wouldn't leave my room and I started getting really dark. Megan went to Bulgaria to shoot a movie and I started getting this really wild paranoia," he said. "Like, I kept getting paranoid that someone was gonna come and kill me. The Bloody Valentine singer said he would fall asleep with a shotgun next to his bed and ended up snapping on the day of the phone call. I called Megan. I was like, you aren't here for me. I'm in my room and I'm, like, freaking out on her. Dude, I put the shotgun in my mouth," the 32-year-old added. "And I'm yelling on the phone, and like, the barrel's in my mouth. I go to cock the shotgun and the bullet, as it comes back up, the shell just gets jammed." Megan's like dead silent. MGK made the admission during his new Hulu documentary Life in Pink, which dropped this week. At the time of his father's death, a grieving MGK told fans he would be taking a break from social media and the spotlight. "I had plans for the one-year anniversary of Hotel Diablo today. That album was everything I wanted to say and I know it's close to my fans," he tweeted. "But my father took his last breath this morning, and I've never felt a pain this deep in my life. If you are struggling with mental health, you can speak to a trained advisor from Mind Mental Health Charity on 0300-123-3393 or email info@mind.org.uk.